Hello and welcome back to CareerCraft, where future careers are explored, explained, and made possible. Whether you're a student dreaming of a purpose-driven path, a mid-career professional looking to pivot, or a parent trying to guide your child's ambitions, you're in the right place. We believe that the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we build. Today, we're going to explore a career that blends logic and creativity, technology. It's a role at the intersection of AI and human insight, and it might just be your calling. Let's begin by zooming out for a moment. The way we work is undergoing a seismic shift. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs may be displaced by automation by 2025. But 97 million new roles will emerge that are better adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms. These new roles aren't about replacing people, they're about enhancing human capability through smart systems. Think of it like Iron Man's suit. Tony Stark is still the hero, but the suit supercharges what he can do. That's what cognitive automation is all about. At the core of this shift is a need for professionals who can understand business goals, analyze data, and implement AI-powered systems that make work more efficient, ethical, and intelligent. Enter the Cognitive Automation Analyst. So, what exactly does a Cognitive Automation Analyst do? In simple terms, they are professionals who help organizations design and run intelligent systems that can do tasks once handled only by humans, like reasoning, decision-making, and learning from experience. Unlike traditional automation, which follows rules and scripts, cognitive automation brings in tools like natural language processing, machine learning, computer vision, predictive analytics. Let's make it concrete with a few real-world examples. In banking, they might automate fraud detection systems that learn from transaction patterns and flag anomalies in milliseconds. In logistics, they can optimize shipping routes based on real-time data, weather, and fuel costs. In HR, they help companies use AI to screen resumes fairly, identify skill gaps, and even forecast employee attrition. This role is not just about technology. It's about aligning intelligent systems with business strategy, ethical standards, and real human needs. What does a cognitive automation analyst actually do on a typical day? Their responsibilities often include mapping business processes to identify automation opportunities, collaborating with stakeholders to understand goals and pain points, designing workflows using robotic process automation platforms, training and tuning machine learning models, monitoring cognitive bots for performance, accuracy, and bias, continuously improving systems based on feedback and data. It's a hybrid role, part technologist, part strategist, part detective. Soft skills matter as much as technical ones. Think of empathy, to understand user experiences, curiosity, to question assumptions and test new ideas, communication, to explain complex systems to non-technical teams. One manager from Accenture put it this way: we don't just look for coders. We look for people who can translate between humans and machines. The demand for these skills is skyrocketing. In 2023 alone, LinkedIn listed AI-related roles among the fastest-growing job titles globally, and Cognitive Automation Analyst is one of the most versatile among them. Why? Because it spans industries such as retail, automating inventory and supply chain decisions; healthcare, using AI to assist diagnostics and patient care; education, customizing learning paths using cognitive systems; and government, streamlining public services and fraud detection. What makes this role future-proof is its adaptability. As AI evolves, so will your role, making it a career of continuous learning and relevance. Depending on your interest, here are some potential titles and paths: Cognitive Automation Analyst, which can be a starting point; AI Process Architect; Intelligent Automation Lead; Machine Learning Strategist; RPA Solutions Designer; and Human AI Collaboration Consultant. You might work in tech giants like IBM, Google, or Microsoft, consultancies like Deloitte or Capgemini, government agencies improving digital infrastructure, NGOs using automation to scale impact, startups disrupting traditional workflows. or even launch your own firm offering automation solutions for small businesses. The versatility here is massive. Now let's talk geography. This is truly a global career. Some of the most exciting work is happening in United States, Silicon Valley and Boston, with major demand across finance, health, and logistics. United Kingdom, London's fintech and government sectors are embracing cognitive tools. India, a rising powerhouse, with Tata, Infosys, and Wipro investing in intelligent systems. Germany, smart factories and Industry 4.0 initiatives are booming. Singapore, government-backed AI strategy and smart city innovations. UAE and Saudi Arabia, mega projects like NEOM are built on cognitive tech. Canada, Toronto and Montreal's AI research hubs are world-class. South Africa, Nigeria, and Kenya are exploring automation for healthcare, agriculture, and finance. The best part: many of these roles can be done remotely, especially post-COVID. So, how do you actually become one? Start as early as high school by focusing on math, algebra, statistics, and logic, computer science, ethics and philosophy, important for thinking about AI responsibly, and business or economics. Outside class, join coding bootcamps like Free Code Camp or Code.org, robotics or STEM competitions, online AI challenges like Kaggle, and hackathons or startup incubators. At university, consider degrees like cognitive science, artificial intelligence, data science, business information systems, and human-computer interaction. And here's a powerful tip: build a personal portfolio. Automate a task at home or school, publish a tutorial or walkthrough on LinkedIn or Medium, contribute to open-source AI projects on GitHub. That's what gets recruiters excited, not just what you've learned, but what you've built. Here's the toolkit to master. Tech tools. Number 1. Python, the backbone of AI and automation. 2. SQL, managing and querying data. 3. UiPath, automation anywhere, Power Automate, for workflow automation. 4. Power BI, Tableau, for insights and reporting. 5. Azure, AWS, GCP, cloud platforms for scalability. Soft skills. Problem solving, think like a detective. Communication, explain AI in plain English. Ethics, always ask, is this fair, just, and transparent? Collaboration, work across teams, IT, HR, Ops, and beyond. Want to know where to study? Here are some of the top institutions with strong programs. Carnegie Mellon University, leading in AI machine learning and cognitive systems. University College London, offers BSc, MSc in cognitive and decision sciences. TU Munich, known for robotics and AI in manufacturing. IIT Bombay, excellent for applied machine learning and automation. Nanyang Technological University of Singapore, interdisciplinary approach to AI design. University of Toronto, combines computer science with psychology and cognition. University of Cape Town, emerging leader in AI for development. Let's look at some of the global online programs. IBM, AI Engineering, Coursera, UiPath Academy, Google's Data Analytics Certificate, Microsoft's AI Fundamentals. Let's bring it all together. They bridge the gap between human insight and machine intelligence. They build systems that help businesses thrive, services improve, and people work smarter, not harder. If you're someone who's curious, collaborative, and purpose-driven, this path is worth serious consideration. Your journey doesn't start in the future, it starts today. So here's your first step. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to CareerCraft for weekly deep dives into careers you've never heard of, but should have. Share this with a friend or classmate who's still figuring things out. And finally, drop a comment below. Which part of this career excites you most? What's one tool or topic you're eager to explore? Remember, your career is a craft, and we're here to help you shape it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.